The 2025 Auto Trail Excel is designed for adventure, offering the perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Take your journey to the next level in this exceptional motorhome. Enjoy the convenience of a solar panel and an external gas BBQ point, making outdoor living easier and more enjoyable. These features enhance your travel experience, providing power and culinary delights on the go. Step inside to find an integrated sat-nav system and a motorhome-specific sat-nav, offering navigation tailored for motorhomes and convenience at your fingertips. With low-rate finance available, you can spread the cost of your motorhome over a flexible term of up to 180 months. Call or visit Continental Leisure Vehicles today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Auto Trail Excel. Buy your vehicle with confidence from a family-run business with over 40 years of customer satisfaction. See our Google reviews for more peace of mind.